Right, so if Thomas, the probability that Thomas brings an umbrella is 0.625, which you've worked out in part A. The probability he doesn't bring an umbrella must be 1 minus 0.625, so 0.375. Now, he either takes it or he doesn't. So regardless of, the sun and all the rest of it, he's either got his umbrella or he hasn't. And that's going to happen every day for 22 days. So it's a binomial situation. So we can say that it's binomially distributed. The probability that he takes his umbrella, he doesn't, take his umbrella is 0.375, and that's 22 trials. And what we want is the probability that he takes his umbrella, he doesn't take his umbrella between 6 and 12 times, although I agree the language is a bit convoluted. So we'll go across to our calculator, and we want to have probability distributions, binomial CDF. So 22 trials, I can't remember what we said now, 0.375. Let's try that, shall we? 6 and 12. And that should be our answer there, though I've not checked. So if that's wrong, let me know. Okay.